I've got in front of me a Kabe Travel Master Imperial i880LGB motorhome. This thing here is going to cost €267,609 and it's 882 centimeters in length, 233 in width. Made in Sweden, claims to be a 2026 prototype. It's got a new TV, 32-inch, and between the seating group and the kitchen, that's this position here. Let's have a look at the television if it's in. Well, no, I'll tell you what, we'll just have to pretend we've seen it because there isn't one in there under there. But anyway, it would be if you bought it. Storage there. Bed up front. You can have as many as 6 people here, or you can have 2. It depends. I mean, that can be configured accordingly. Storage there. Sink. 2 burners, gas. 1 burner electric. 1 burner electric. Can I say that? Or electric hob. Storage down here. Storage under there, and storage up here. Slit window in the kitchen. The thing is, the way it's designed, I can't say you can make it any bigger. It might be a bit dark, particularly given the colour of the furniture, which is designed to look like a Swedish cabin in the forest. At least that's the way it seems to me. Thin, very thin wardrobe, but every bit of storage is welcome. Here's a Thetford grill. You could, I think, also have that under the hob behind me, I think. And here we've got a freezer, and below that there is a fridge. Here we open this. I can feel how light the doors are. Here we have a Cinderella toilet which burns your waste. I'll turn the light on so you can see it. I'll say that again. I'll turn the light on so you can see it. Okay, right, suit yourself. There is a towel rack. There's a mirror. We've got storage under there. A sink in a sensible position. In here we've got the shower, which is now currently locked. Using that makes sense. I don't like the shower though. From the point of view, it's only got 1 drainage point, and it's a small one at that. I would expect for this money a bigger one. I'm going to let this lady talk whilst I show you the video. Show you the van.
Koffer, Kleidungsstücke, elektronische Geräte sowie ihre Exponate und Produkte nicht unbeaufsichtigt. Ladies and gentlemen, please pay attention to your personal belongings and do not leave bags, suitcases, garments, electronic devices, as well as your exhibits and products unattended.
Unfortunately, there have been thefts here. Not big vehicles like this, but petty thefts. They get them all the time, but I mean, this year was even somebody from the press who had a bike stolen, which is unfortunate. Anyway, here we've got make this into a double bed if you want. We've got under here, there's a plate here which will come out, and there's supposed to be a plate in there which will come out and make a fill in the space here. Let's just move this to one side so at least I can close. Wait. Oh, it's not there. All right, suit yourself. And again down here we've got, quite ironic that's me saying there's been thefts and then there. Anyway, I don't suppose anybody stole the plate. Storage there, batteries down here. On the other side you've got some pipes, and you've got some more storage up there. You can't lift the bed up like this, so I won't push it just in case I break the thing. And let's put this down, make it look neat. And right, good, there you have this rather expensive van. At the back of the bed you may have noticed there are electric points. It's also an induction place for charging your phone there. Mercedes door on that side. It's got a big garage at the back. We're not going to see it because it's parked so tight. Well, congratulations to the drivers though, in some cases for doing it so tight, but it's back there's a really large garage. I might be able to show you that. It's Stuttgart if anybody wants to see it. And window here, there's a place for the dog's collar, and finally there's a place for the dog's lead. There you go. Kabe motorhome, made in Sweden. Easily take temperatures from or up down to minus 35, maybe even further. And mind you, I was out in minus 22 in my self build, and I'm still alive. Well, once they defrosted me anyway. Thanks for watching.